we're here for the big matchup, big matchup, Arnett Garden versus Mount Pleasant. As you can see in the background, we have Arnett Garden doing their shooting drills. Really looking really sharp at this present moment. But one thing for sure, we know that this game is always a classic. A huge classic. I mean, I tell us, well, look out for the one now. But first game just finished a while ago. Mullines defeating Mobie. I forget Mobie. But certainly we're expecting to have a good matchup. So very important, big deal this for Arnett Garden defense. Because I don't know, say, they have a lot of, Mount Pleasant have a lot of strike force. It's going to put them a lot of pressure. Captain Joel coming and he's going to be big. And me I tell us, we expect a lot of big performance from this Arnett Garden team to stay in the mix. I don't know, say Mount Pleasant title holders looking to get something big. But let's see how this one goes. Well, let's move into the 90 minutes of football, people. Big up.
Boss, no man, just a 2 years. And I 200 subscribers now. 200. So you can't believe. So they can take some cards sometimes. I read the game, I read on for reading. Drop off and lock, drop off and lock. Don't press again. I almost get it on the trigger.
I know. Look.
Well, now, give me left short tonight. What issue they want to take him like that?
Bomba, switch again, that touch gun gone.
Follow man, skip. What is that after?
Left them, you know?
I fight.
Yeah, game now, where you watch?
Why you losing, brother? I don't know how they losing. Attacking wise from team side.
Big save, Asha.
Yes, boss. No, man.
Troubleless. Mash up, you know?
you're gone. Sometimes you pass more effective than you
I want to get a card. Half. Oh God! Barca get a standing ovation. Very, very good.
What's up? There's a difference in there, see?
See boy, yeah?
That's why I was saying, that's far. I mean, the king and him and them, what the hell are you talking about?
We can't compare 95 with 92.
Oh, that's 7 Arnett and now in between.
So it's full time here at the Jungle, Arnett Garden 2, Mount Pleasant 0. Certainly it was a very, very good game. We're going to hear from the coaches now. Let's see what the coaches say about the game and about each team. Let's hear from, first of all, we're going to hear from Theodore Tapper Whitmore. Then we're going after Xavier Gilbert. Let's go and let's see what the coaches have to say, people.
Here today, had a lot of good play, but not the goals here this afternoon. Just tell it that's the goal side.
Well, again, I don't think it was a 2-0 game. I think it was a fair game. I think for most part we control the game, but what have been a concern of lately is in the final third. If you look on our team now, our leading goal scorer is Bailey. You know, so we're not finding the back of the net. I think this afternoon that was one of the areas that we fell short in. I think playing against an Arnett Garden team, it's very difficult to give up the midfield, and I think at times we gave up the midfield. You know, we try to chase the game with Arnett, we try to match them. We need to put down the ball and play. But such is it. I think we have to go back and look and correct it for the next game and the rest of the games.
The round coming to a close, coach, but also the teams are also getting closer. Concern to you at this stage?
Well, we almost half the season. You know, is what we do next. You know, the champion is how we rebound from a loss as a champion. You know, and move forward.
You think you can get more goals based on the quality of from more players in and around the team?
Well, again, as I said, we have 2 games to close off the first half at the table. Then we look forward how we approach the next half. But I think we'd have met our objective in the first half of the season.
Respect, coach.
All right. Yeah.
Yes, coach. Probably the biggest result for Arnett Gardens for this season. I don't know how you would have sum it up.
Yeah, I mean, I think both teams played well, a good performance. I think it was a very entertaining game, and I think the fans got a very good Christmas treat. And we're happy that we're on the winning end this evening. I think we executed our game plan for the most part, and I'm happy and pleased with that.
What was basically the game plan, coach? I don't know how you kept them out and got the 2 decisive strikes when you needed.
As I always tell everybody when they ask me that, I'm not gonna do the homework for the other coaches. You know, we have our plan, we have our strategy, and I think it worked for us. You know, and I'm not gonna discuss, you know, what were some of the things that we did. But the reality is we had a plan, and it worked for most part, and I'm happy about that, how we executed. You know, I think we nullify their strengths going forward and make it very difficult for them. You know, and that was really, so that was the game plan, you know, to make it difficult for them coming forward. And I think we executed it on that part. And see if we can put them under pressure and nick them, you know, going forward, you know, and hit them in transition as quickly as possible as we could, especially if and when we win the ball in the attacking third.
Yeah, you know, 1 point closer to them, coach. Also, Tivoli won and also 1 point. How much of a boost is that coming to the close of the road, knowing that you're in touching distance with the leaders?
It's definitely a boost, you know. Also, bear in mind we have a game in hand, and just to beat them in itself is added motivation for the players. They really wanted to do it, and they rose to the occasion and delivered today. And I'm so happy and pleased with them. You know, and hopefully we just have to recover and get ready for Sunday again.
That was going to ask the coach, what to focus on now? This must build confidence, lift confidence to our next level. What will be the focus on here psychologically?
I mean, the real thing is to stay focused because, I mean, yes, it will build confidence, but you can't get overconfident. You know, you still have to manage it. There's games coming. Celebrate the win tonight and back to the training pitch tomorrow. Business take care of on Sunday.
All right, so we're gonna hear now from the man of the match, Jaime Thomas, national, brilliant performance, contributed to a goal, but not only that, but in the middle of the park, he was really, really vital to the Arnett Gardens teams, getting a result, turning, twisting, creating chances, doing a lot of work. So let's hear from Jaime Thomas. Jaime National Thomas. Jaime, first of all, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling great, you know. A big win tonight. Good 3 points for us.
Man of the match performance, eh? I have to say it again. How are you feeling about that?
Well, I'm feeling great, you know. That goal that I scored, I'm practicing it in training for the past few weeks, and I come out here and execute it today.
When you're coming off the pitch, literally almost a standing ovation down in jungle, how you feel when you hear the fans stand up and clapping you?
Well, it was a great feeling, you know. The fans don't normally clap us, they normally bark at us, you know. So I feel great to know that they are clapping us, clapping me especially.
Yeah, so clapping you coming off the pitch, it must have meant that you did something really, really good on the pitch, and that would have made you feel extremely proud about what you did, right?
Yes, I'm very proud of myself and the team. We fight till the end.
You have been one of the shining lights in this Arnett Gardens team so far, and you're one of the youngsters in the team. What's the aim for this season where goals and assists are concerned?
Well, to get a contract, and hopefully I get a national call-up soon.
All right, well done here, and hopefully it's on the way as well.
Yes,
all right, so we just concluded as I hear from the man of the match, Jaime Thomas. We're going to move now into the breakdown of the game. One, I think it was a very, very good game in my perspective. 2 teams going at it, 2 teams who's hungry for a title. This season, we know Arnett Gardens fall short. Last season, same Mount Pleasant, but Arnett Gardens coming back this season under the guidance of Xavier Gilbert. I do think that Mount Pleasant fall short where goal scoring is concerned. They threw a lot of chances, but Arnett Gardens was very, very clinical in front of goal. The slightest chance, slightest opportunity that they would have gotten, they maximized on it as best as possible, and they really, really hurt Mount Pleasant in that manner. Mount Pleasant a bit too sloppy in some aspects of the defensive third, giving away those chances to Arnett Garden. And I'm telling you, Arnett Garden, when they did get those chances, first chance came on Arbor and put it away nicely. Then Jaime Thomas with a volley inside the 18-yard box. You couldn't ask for more. The crowd was going mad. The crowd was going crazy. The players on the bench, it was just all crazy down here in the jungle. And you know, as I say, it's very, very difficult to defeat Arnett Garden at home with home crowd. But certainly it was a good matchup between both teams. Arnett Garden moving up the table now. Mount Pleasant still in a good position, but they have lost quite a few games on the bounce now. Not a good start of the season for them. Hopefully they can kick on. They have the quality to, so my assumption is that they will at some point in time. But Arnett Garden looking to be a force at this present moment. But we'll see how that one goes, people. And next time, people, let's see you in the next match here. Big up on yourself every time. JP Yellow.